Good afternoon. We had a presentation as the Equinox Phase 5 the colony Secos e Molhados USA. That is a term very aggressive and kind of pejorative some way in a negative qualities as secos e molhados, considering the Portuguese people, especially in the very beginning of the 20th century and the end of 19th century. That is part of the xenophobism that Brazil perpetrates, but as other illicit hideous practices never assume, including the economic espionage currently ongoing, or the problems at the supply chain, considering things we had at the supermarket after he stalk you and have your preference, then modify things at the supermarket or the shelter as deposit or something like that, or he made the straight interference at the postal delivery or even a company as delivery service by infiltrated agent, part of the Brazilian commercial practice and institutional activity, generally viewed by fake records at the criminal system, which is the public service or misuse by Brazil and peers, and we are forced to be in touch as nationals or foreigners in Brazil. And this is the statehood on it, the object offered to the New York court, considering that the pattern observed is always incremental, non-stop, and raised, that since the violation of rights as individual until the violation of any person rights affecting one specific individual, me, or groups of interest like my privacy, told untouchable by the Constitution and suppressed by economic espionage, analogical or digital interference and clandestine intrusions, modifying the architecture as framework, digital space, cyberspace, having no limits, and by this putting the state defense at the issue. When we are talking about the trust scam through local compadrios, we must have in mind that we will have the situation as public service involved, of course, because it's something locally that is in touch with everybody in a hierarchical level at the homeland as continental geographic space or national geographic space, doing usurpation, narco, by seizure of items and redistribution, fake records about crime, sourcing, the piracy and fake currency. And then we had this question in the past: how to make account registry of values under usurpation by state power, interlinked as trust global and local compadrios or criminal groups. Because this affects me, my interest, my intellectual activity as portfolio estimated in 227.28 trillion against Brazil and peers. Statehood offered all conclusive since 2022, this time in case 07 New York City. And we are presenting the Equinox Phase 5 to the New York community. You please take a look, Risk Report 2026, tracemade.blogspot.com. The music stopped by the interference we suffer. We will observe then the important thing here, that we could check in the past the structure as the public service in Brazil, very peculiar, and considering the tax because it is an obligation of any person having this, which is the background of our activity. January day 1st, the department corrupted with institution corrupted, so institutions corrupted, forming a criminal system that is operated as public service by a statehood, narco, terror, thievery, public service on criminal practice to cover criminal practice previously perpetrated and keep this until have the national defense assigned, because we are having paramilitary activity as biohazard, biological agents as threats, clandestine communication, violation of digital space and architecture as framework, Google shadowing your activity and even making payment by Google Pay, whatever, it's a threat. Brazil was reported as the most serious cyber criminal. The difference between cyber and digital, you can have with the NEC, Japan, that has a process named unwaiving process, quite clear about that, and other things as identification of criminal offenders. In Brazil, we can have this crude. The institutional crime is made by an institution because the criminal is a human resource there, having the make decision power. It had been suppressing or doing criminalization of protective guarantees since December 2025, last 72 hours, because it was offered as conclusive and irrefutable. And the interest is keep or set criminality uninterrupted as process at public service, as you could observe and have offered all conclusive. You can deny it's affecting also in the United States and in all areas in public debt. And the activities on it, you can get all information. It can get all information about your property or things you do to feature see organized crime groups as purpose and related activities as piracy and frauds. One of the patterns is the taxation you do, right? Forcing the tax evasion as life effect, natural consequence of not rational use of economic power politics. And one of them is the taxation. Brazil has the most heavy taxations in the planet, maybe the most corrupted institutional system, and this is serious, right? It's a joke, be something here, but we are forced to live here. Then we could check that the responsibilities and everything we are doing is told by the Constitution. It's literally told. The violation they are doing is part of the monkey business because they felt self-confidence enough as criminal authorities receiving the complaints by the crimes they perpetrated. So we changed the center of decision from Brazil to other area, and they now started to feel vulnerable. The responsibles are a hierarchical organization as public system with the government houses and judicial power as federative level, federation, federative units and seats, with corporative system once in a while related or involved with. Like if you declare that has a debt at the public account and set obligations, how can you set obligations with a debt unsolved? It's not responsible and shows the lack of commitment with baselines of the international financial system. It's complained by OECD since 2018 and with a special concern about the prodigality, especially Brazil and peers, right? It's told on public budget in Brazil. The responsibilities by the Constitution go with a regression observed the righteous compensation of this credit, Article 5, Guarantee 5. The responsible and reply, it's something we must do. The responsibility is on civil, administrative, and criminal, right? The patterns are domestic or international. We had the violation of Microsoft assets by someone that back to Eastern Europe, and it looks like the judicial power, USA, in Seattle, ordered to arrest the variables on Eastern Europe that had the cooperative level and the imprisonment with satisfaction and accomplishment of period as custody happened in the United States. It's the case you are having, but instead one or two employees that stripped, for instance, the information, we are having a huge structure as public service, Brazil and peers, on uninterrupted criminal practice from economic espionage, considering the industrial sabotage and things like that, even at the supply chain, feeding areas sometimes in a struggle with contaminated items, creating problems over problems. And this called the national defense, as any person Portugal flag, Portuguese people, having the protection of the Portuguese state. If it's a derogatory activity NATO, and you made an aggression against the flag, the citizen, any person, you did everything wrong, Brazil. This is the structure we are having, the public debt, get in touch with the sports entity activity, observe the background commercial practices investigation, derogatory NATO, European Union, Portugal. Here we are having the design of the debt as a sport environment in Brazil, violated by Brazil public system and federative unity specified, in this case specifically Rio de Janeiro, the autonomy of the sports entity, Article 217 of the Brazilian Constitution, Clause 1, to boost the trust scheme through local compadrios based on public power home misuse, violating the constitutional rule Article 173, do interference at the sports entities by violated guarantee Article 5, guarantee 18. You don't have this possibility, like you don't have the violation of privacy data, but you did. You created an obligation against the Brazilian state as judicial power that made those interference or have those orders. And all architecture of power hierarchically set as facilitators, staffs and domain in solidarity ties with corporative peers without good faith to accomplish the value we are claiming as secos e molhados, putting you all in a paper, which is a financial paper, a warranty regressing you all with an obligation legally claimed by illegal practice perpetrated by Brazilian peers in Brazil. Right? Simple like that. The debt of the sports entity goes like this. You have 0 up to 278 sports entities. And they, by preference, as access, considering the interfaces and channels as institutional corruption, to one specific sponsor that the cut is Caixa Econômica Federal, that is a bank that with activity very strong on real estate market, financing the acquisition of property. Indeed, you will have the sponsor of mostly all entities in Brazil, and then you set this structure replacing the major sponsor, having the hierarchical rank of the debt as each one of those sports entities. This happened because you have, as Caixa Econômica Federal, one specific head here, which is the human resource, holding the power as public administration. Happening this on 2014. The debt of the sports entities in Brazil skyrocketed because many of them got under financial choke, which is a suppressive mechanism, considering a public bank, not equal division of shares, violating 217 clause 1 of the Brazilian Constitution. People in Vasco da Gama, sports entity, complained that, but got that. Related or not, you must research. The problem here, considering the background as NATO investigation, is that the debt of each one of those sports entities is presented as a single big bubble, Brazil, segmented at the sports entity. Right? Drag effect. It is negative, as you can see, leading to 2014 FIFA Olympics, and the head have the domain of this bank part of the public administration, Article 84, clause 6, 7, and 8, plus, if I'm doing no wrong, 76, which is the staff as Ministry of Government. By Guarantee 33, it's requested to be delivered on New York City. How the very corrupted management of Brazilian government, institutional system, democratic institution, republic, common resources, and state power, considering the defense, had been affecting the sports entity, specifically Clube de Regatas Vasco da Gama, papering the case as warranty, regressing this by Guarantee 37, the value of total asset as Vasco da Gama plus Nike related with Vasco da Gama. It's a paper, right? Considering the compensation, and the case itself is estimated at the value of this paper. So we have one financial document and another as a judicial case itself. The financial document as expectation of receive and incomes by Vasco da Gama with partnership Nike, estimated and papering the value of total asset Vasco da Gama plus Nike, placed at the relationship contractual sponsor Vasco da Gama, observing ties in the past eventually hurt by the statehood that this model bring the reasons to the court. The paper, as Nike Vasco da Gama obligation shall right to receive the compensation, suggested to be delivered to the creditors of Vasco da Gama in good faith, that since 2014 up here looks like that created a debt as 1 billion, but must be under research, because you are observing a scam as fraudulent data and records with fake currency, piracy, other things, in the very heart of the Brazilian public system as public service in 3 levels: federation, federative units, and local seats. The value 1 billion must be questioned at the court, and by order of the court against Brazil and peers, drill down, debug, and have the Minecraft to solve the obligations of creditors in good faith. The solidarity between creditors without good faith is part of the usurpation and white-collar crime. They are delivered because the Nike's partnership with Vasco da Gama, it's affected, and the offenders are delivered for imprisonment in the United States by the order of this very respectful New York court. Have a terrific day.